friends, and Miss Cyndi. Now I'm gonna talk about how to cough and sneeze. If you wanna cough, you must get a tissue or cover in your hand. When you cough, you must cover it, or no, it will spread all the germs. Then when you already finish coughing or sneezing, you must wash your elbows or your hand, the part that before you cough, and you must throw this tissue in the dustbin so the germs won't spread out. And you cannot cough in someone's face. Thank you.